Hello guys, how are you? In this video we will talking about the object identification with image base. Basically we are targeting two objects, first cat then dog. You can replace your own objects just like a person, a lot of objects you can also recognize in this model. The pretend model here you can download from here code, simple just one script. So let's start how to work. So first of all you can I am already download my folder document video identification. You can see the files and images. I have three objects, first cat, then dog, third one persons. Okay, so first of all we going to the open the Mac terminal, just cd document folder lscd. My name is YouTube lscd identification. Okay, you can see all commands. So now first of all we running the file, then discuss about the code how to work. So you can see the cat. Okay, cat object is detect. So first of all you can see simple code, these three libraries, then model is loaded, then we are targeting the class names is cat. Then you define the image, also resizing all these things just like parameters, names, width, height, and uh, name. Here name is cat. So you can also change the, for example, change name, just like a dog. You can see dog.png. Okay, here you can see same name. Okay, it's same name. You can also change from here name. If you cannot change the name, then what's going on? So you can see cannot be detect. Okay, you if you can change the name, his name is dog, then he predict actual class from model. You can see it, accuracy. So then we can also test the person. Where is the person? Here is the person. Okay. Then open the file, image folder file, copy and paste here. Then you can simply running command name is python cat dog. Okay, it's pretty. Then you can see the images of the people, persons which model detect. You also download aeroplane, background, birds, boat, cow. Easy to put here and classified his name, actual name. So hope you like it. Any confusion, please comment on our YouTube videos, and support our channel for more getting updates, information updates, and so on.